First bit is 44 minus 0 is equal to how much? The next second bit 17 minus 1 is equal to how much? Third bit 37 minus 1 is equal to how much? Then 10 minus 10 is equal to how much? Next 55 minus 0 is equal to how much? Last one is 72 minus 72 is equal to how much? And children, you have to write on your own. Please, you start writing yourself. You should write question and answer on your own. Yes. Okay. So now we'll start writing the answers. First one is 44 minus 44. So children, remember that whenever you are subtracting 0 from any number, that number will not change. Whenever we are subtracting 0 from any number, that number will not change. That is, we'll get that same number back. Suppose, let us say 15 minus 0. So 15 minus 0 is 15. 23 minus 0 is 23. 3 minus 0 is 3. 9 minus 0 is 9. 47 minus 0 is 47. So whenever you are subtracting 0 from any number, that number will not change and you will get that same number back. You will get that same number back. Okay? Swarnika? Swarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Swarnika, answer for first bit. 44 minus 0 is equal to? If you are subtracting 0 from any number, what you will get?
44, ma'am.
Yeah, 44 minus 0 is 44. Very good. That's the correct answer. Now, next is 17 minus 1. 17 minus 1. So, remember this thing that whenever you are subtracting 1 from any number, just think of the number which comes just before that. Think of the number which comes just before that. So, this is 17 minus 1. So, what comes just before 17? You have to think of that number and that will be the answer. Arhan, you tell me 17 minus 1 how much?
16.
Very good. 17 minus 1 is 16. So we'll write here 16. Okay. Hayati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hayati, 37 minus 1 is equal to how much? 37 minus 1. Whenever you are subtracting 1 from any number, just think of a number which comes just before 37. So what comes just before 37?
20, 32, ma'am.
No, what comes just before 37? Go one step back. What comes just before 37?
36, ma'am.
36 comes just before 37. Very good. So we'll write here 36, 36. Next bit. 10 minus 10 is equal to how much? Whenever we are subtracting a number from itself, or we can say whenever we are subtracting same numbers, we'll get 0. So if a number is subtracted from itself, like 5 minus 5 is 0. 25 minus 25 is 0. 17 minus 17 is 0. So whenever you are subtracting same numbers, answer will be 0. So Janvi, you tell me 10 minus 10 how much? Janvi, are you there? Janvi, are you there? Not there. Yes, Tanvi Sri, 10 minus 10 how much?
0.
Very good. 10 minus 10 is 0 because here we are subtracting a number from itself. Very good. Now next is 55 minus 0. Veda, 55 minus 0 how much?
55.
Very good. 55 minus 0 is 55. So we write 55 here. Okay. Now no need to use raise hand option even if you know the answer. One by one you'll get a chance. Okay. Next is 72 minus 72. Yes, Tarini, 72 minus 72, how much?
Is 0.
Very good. So children, whenever you will subtract a number from itself, you'll get answer 0. So here we are subtracting 72 from 72. That's why answer is 0. So 72 minus 72 is 0. Now next. Is there anyone who is writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? If nobody is there, then I'll clear this. Okay. So nobody use raise hand option, so I'm clearing all this. Okay, children, after this, write bit number G. This is bit number G. 48 minus 1 is equal to how much? And remember, after every bit, you have to leave one line. Then 32 minus 0 is equal to how much? Next. 61 minus 1 is equal to how much? 3 minus 83 is equal to how much? The next 19 minus 1 is equal to how much? And last bit. 94 minus 94 is equal to how much? Write these questions in your notebook, and after every bit you have to leave one line. This is 48 minus 1, 32 minus 0, 61 minus 1, 83 minus 83, 19 minus 1, and 94 minus 94. Okay. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
48 minus 1, how much? Whenever we are subtracting 1, then just go one step
47.
backward. Very good. So 48 minus 1 is 47. Children, always remember that whenever you are subtracting 1 from any number, think of number which comes just before that number. Okay. Ashita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashita, 32 minus 0 is equal to how much? Whenever you are subtracting.
32.
Very good. Very good. Whenever you are subtracting 0 from any number, answer is that number. Ananya. Next. Ananya, 61 minus 1 is equal to how much? You have to subtract 1 from that number. Wait. Yes, Ananya. 61 minus 1 is equal to how much? You are subtracting 1, so you have to go one step back. I'm unable to unmute you. Yes, Ananya, tell me the answer. What think of the number which comes just before 61. Ananya, you need to unmute yourself.
60.
Yeah, 60 comes just before 61. So this means 61 minus 1 is equal to 60. 60, that's the correct answer. So we'll write here 60. Answer is 60.
60.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Now, next. Arohi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arohi, next question. 83 minus 83 is equal to how much?
0.
Very good. Here we are subtracting same numbers. So answer is 0. Very good. That's the correct answer. Now, next question. Ronald, am I audible to you? Ronald. Ronald, am I audible to you? Never. Start. Siddharth Punati.
Ma'am.
Next question. 19 minus 1 is equal to how much?
18.
19 minus 1 is equal to?
18.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Now, last one.
Ma'am, next answer is 0.
Oh, Siddharth, you should not speak. You already told one answer. No, this is wrong. Sai Joshit,
Ma'am.
94 minus 94 is equal to how much?
0.
Very good. Here we are subtracting same numbers, so we'll get 0. That's the correct answer. Yes, children, write down the answers fast. And even if you have completed, please check your answers. Yeah. Now, next. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Akshara, are you still writing?
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am.
2 minutes. Akshara, please don't take 2 minutes. We don't have much time. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, try to write fast.
Okay.
Yeah. Advait, are you still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, please write fast. Only 1 minute. I'll give you only 1 minute. Please write fast. After this, we'll start revision 2. Those who have completed, please write date, classwork, and revision number 2 on a new page. Take out new page, write date, classwork, and revision number 2. Those who have completed. Advait and Akshara, please write fast. Yes, children, please write fast. Akshara, are you still writing?
No, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Advait, done? Advait, are you still writing?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so now I'm clearing all this. Yes, children, I said write date, classwork, and revision number 2. Take out new page and then write date, classwork, and after writing date and classwork, you have to write revision number 2. Revision 2. Then after this, again, you have to leave one line and write fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now start writing first question. And children, remember, again, I'll repeat that after every bit, you have to leave one line. Yes, children, start writing. Yes, I Ritvik.
Wait for me, ma'am.
Now you have started writing. Sai Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am. Bit B.
Okay.
I'm
Okay, okay, I'll give you 1 minute, write fast. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Children, please write fast. First bit is 45 minus 3. Second bit 77 minus 5. Then we have 48 minus 4. Then 98 minus 5. Next is 13 minus 6. Then we have 56 minus 6. And bit number G is 19 minus 2. Please write fast. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay. So we'll start now. Is there anyone who is still writing? Okay, we'll start now. Yeah. So now what you have to do is you have to subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. What you have to do? You have to subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. So now I hope you all remember what is a 1-digit number and what is a 2-digit number. In case you forgot, so I'll write here. Just no need to write this what I'm writing. Okay, no need to write this what I'm writing. Suppose the number is 6868 and there is another number 7. Okay, two numbers are there, one is 68 and other is 7. So children, here 68 is a 2-digit number and 7 is a 1-digit number. No need to write the 68 and 1 in your math notebook. No need to write this 68 and 7. What I said, this 68 is a 2-digit number and 7 is a 1-digit number. Here we can count the digits in 68. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So here 68 is a 2-digit number and here in this number 7 there is only 1 digit, that is 7. So it is a 1-digit number. So here 68 is a 2-digit number and 7 is a 1-digit number. And one more thing. Listen here children. I'll quickly repeat this one sentence concept also, that whenever a 2-digit number is there, we always start from right hand side. We go from right to left. We go from right to left. So in this number 68, this 8 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. 68 is a 2-digit number. So we go from right to left. So here 8 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. And 7 is a one digit number. So one digit number has always value in ones place only. So 7 is in ones place. 7 is in ones place. Suppose I'll write here another number, 54. 54. So here in number 54, again we'll go from right to left. So this 4 is in ones place, 4 is in ones place, and this 5 is in tens place. 5 is in tens place. Okay. And if there is a one digit number 8, suppose number is 8. So this 8 will be in ones place because it is a one digit number, and a one digit number has always value in ones place only. Always remember this thing. Okay. So Bhavashrit. Bhavashrit.
Yes.
Yeah, Bhavashrit. Now, so now tell me, 29 is a two-digit number or a one-digit number?
2 digit.
Yes, it's a two-digit number. So can you tell me which digit is in ones place and which digit is in tens place? 9 is in which place? Ones or tens?
Ones.
Very good. So here 9 is in ones place and this 2 is in?
Tens place.
Very good. Okay, so I'll write here one more number, 7. Now tell me, 7 is a one-digit number or a two-digit number?
One digit number.
Very good. So tell me, 7 is in which place? Ones or tens?
Tens.
No, it's a one-digit number. So a one-digit number will have value in ones place only. What I said, Bhavashrit? If it's a one-digit number, it will always have value in which place?
Ones place.
Very good. So now tell me, 7 is in which place? Ones or tens?
Ones.
Very good. Very good. So now have you understood this ones and tens concept? That which number is in ones place and which number is in tens place, Bhavashrit?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this ones and tens concept? Anyone? Is there anyone who has any doubt in this ones and tens concept? Yes, Swarnika. Swarnika? Yes, Swarnika. Swarnika? Yes, Swarnika? Swarnika? Swarnika, you are not at all audible. Very low. Voice is very low. Again, I'm asking, is there anyone who has any doubt in ones and tens concept? No? Okay. So we'll move ahead. Yeah. So here we are subtracting a one digit number from a two digit number. If you will look at your first bit carefully, question is 45 minus 3. 45 minus 3. So what we can do is, we can subtract this 3 from 45 by using a back counting method. So whatever is the number after minus sign, we will go that many steps backward. What I said, whatever is the number after minus sign, we will go that many steps backward. Okay. So here in the first bit, if you will read the question, this is 45 minus 3. 45 minus 3. So after minus sign, number is 3. After minus sign, number is 3. So how many steps we'll go backward? We'll go 3 steps backward. So we'll start going backwards now. So what comes just before 45? What comes just before 45? Look here, children, what we'll do, we'll take out that many fingers. You can look here, I'll tell you. So this is 45 minus 3. 45 minus 3. So we'll take our 3 fingers. We'll take our 3 fingers and we'll start going backward. We'll start going backward. So see here, 3 fingers are there. So what comes just before 45? 44, then 43 and 42. So answer is 4 to 42. Right? Again, I'll repeat that after minus sign number is 3. So we'll go 3 steps backward. So what comes just before 45? 44, then 43 and then 42. So answer is 4 to 42. Answer is 4 to 42. So we will write here 42. Answer is 4 to 42. Okay. Now, next question is 77 minus 5. Advid Gujja. Advid. Advid, are you there? No. Okay. Next. Akshara. Akshara. Akshara, are you there? Not there. Okay, so after minus sign, number is 5. Suryansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is 77 minus 5. So how many steps backward? After minus sign, what is the number?
77.
Suryansh, after minus sign, what is the number? After minus sign, what is the number?
5.
5. So how many steps backward we'll go?
75.
So show me your 5 fingers quickly. Quickly show me your 5 fingers. I cannot see your 5 fingers. Yeah. Now start going backward. What comes just before 77? And close your fingers one by one.
71.
Yeah. 76. Start.
76, 75, 74, 78, 72.
What is the answer?
72.
Answer is 72. Very good. That's the correct answer. Now next question. Pradiksha. Pradiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pradiksha. Read question number 3. Third bit. Quickly.
No, ma'am.
Read the question, Pradiksha.
Okay.
48.
4 and 48 minus
Yes.
4.
Very good. So after minus sign, what is the number? After minus sign, what is the
4,
number?
44.
Okay, so answer is 44. Okay, that's the correct answer.
Is it easy?
Ketan, Ketan, am I audible to you? Ketan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ketan, please read fourth bit, bit number D. 98 minus
It's not coming screen.
screen.
It's coming black.
Okay, fine. I'll share classwork with you. Okay. But you did not tell me. Manha,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, read question number 4 quickly. Fourth bit. Yeah. Yes, Manha, I'm waiting.
Okay.
Start.
2, ma'am.
Manha, I said read the question. Bit number D. D for dog. 98 minus?
5.
Yeah. So after minus sign, what is the number? Manha, after minus sign, what is the number?
8.
Number is 5. Show me your 5 fingers. Now start counting backward. What comes just before 98?
97.
Yes.
96.
Yes.
95.
Yes.
94.
Yes.
93.
So answer is 90.
93.
Yeah, so we'll write here 93. That's the correct answer. Now, next, bit number E. Bit number E. Hanvit, where are you, Hanvit? Hanvit? Hanvit, where are you? Yeah, Hanvit, please read bit number E. That is question number 5. Please read that question.
13 minus 6.
Yeah, so this is 13 minus 6. So after minus sign, what is the number? Hanvit, after minus sign, what is the number?